In today's video, the unboxing, installation and the results of everything Hepco&Becker has to offer for the brand new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. The hype is getting real because the first parts already came in. This package is from Hepco&Becker, which you can see. This translates to luggage, protections and accessories. Oh, and I also need to say I still need to collect the Himalayan, which I will do in 4 days. So this coming Friday I will collect the bike and then it will firstly go to the suspension guys where it shall be 2 weeks and then we can install these parts. For now the unboxing, and once the unboxing is done, let's wait another 2-3 weeks and then we can install this on the bike. Nice. I have chosen for the Xtravel side bags and compatible with their seatbelt system. So basically what you have is a bracket on the side of your Himalayan and it will slide right over. Waterproof, nice looking. I am 174, so Jeffrey for scale. And what else do I got? Headlight protection grille from Hepco&Becker. I hope it's in shot. Is it in shot? Let's unpack this stuff. Headlight grille. Very nice. Very solid. This goes over the headlight. This will keep the retro look. What else do we got? This is their seatbelt system. And let's face to the table so I can show you. This is their seatbelt system. This will be mounted on the side. It will click on it like this. And done. Very easy system. You can crash with these. It's not what I want to do, but you can actually crash with this. It's hard metal. It's very solid. You can see it. These are very safe to crash. I need to wait 4 days before I can pick up the Himalayan. Then I need to wait another 2 weeks because the Himalayan goes straight to the suspension guys. But that's nice of a video. I do the wait and skip 2 weeks ahead. I have the tank bags which I'm using for my own KTM, which will be mounted on this bike as well. I wanted everything Hepco&Becker because they make really nice parts. Yeah, I wanted to be involved at all their stuff. I don't know what to say more, but let's skip 2 weeks forward and mount all this stuff on the bike. I made a studio out of my living room. Today we are going to install the Hepco&Becker side bags at the end, the tank ring with a Epic Tankbag and the headlight protector. And let's start off with the Epic Tankbag. This is the 3 liter and this is the 6 liter. I was using these on my KTM and with the bracket on the tank they will sit something like this. So let's get it on and see the results. This is actually quite simple. It's mounted with 3 holes and install this with a little spacer in between. We need to install these little spacers. Then this one goes over it. And that's it. We're done. Nice. And I did not demonstrate this piece to you yet. This comes with a packet with a bag separate. So what you need to do is install this piece at the bottom of the Epic Tankbag. There's a little plate on here and it requires only 4 little screws with a cord, so you can get it loose once it is connected to the tank ring. And this is the bigger one, the 6 liters. Very easy and very solid. Yeah, if we continue to the back, this should be something like this. Rear right, rear left. Okay, what we have? Bracket rear left with screws, bolt, nuts, everything, little brackets, and same for the other side. And to make things easy for you, you need to get rid of the rear pillow seat, remove these 2 bolts, then this will happen. And there are 2 screws underneath which you need to loosen, and then all this will go down. So you can remove the 4 bolts from here. A little more complex than I thought. Okay. Then you need to have number 12 for the back. Then the rear bracket needs to go on like this. The next thing I'm going to do now is tie these a little bit onto the bracket. This goes outside and this one needs to face forward. What I did on this side, I replicated it on this one. So this one sits the same like this one, only this one is mirrored. It's very easy, the upper 2 and the lower 2. The lower ones, or at the front, are a little harder to read. We need to have that one, so get rid of your seat and then you will be able to reach it. Yeah, why not drop it somewhere where you cannot reach it?
Maar ja, gisteren was hij dus gemaakt. Waarschijnlijk is het een draadje of zo. Ik heb er gewoon draadje door.
Handig. Okay, that's done. They are very solid and they fit the bike. So let's see how easy this is. Which works like this. And that will slide into this little hole. So you turn the key and it will go nowhere.
That goes nowhere.
That goes nowhere. And how easy you can get it off. Turn the key. Done. Well, one monster fits.
Yes.
And now we're going to install the Hepco&Becker headlight protection. Something like this. I have some backup to help me with this. So let's see how this will turn out. Screws you need for assembling the headlight protector. Unscrew the 2 on the bottom and 2 on the side. Even kijken. Fixed. Okay guys, everything is on. The rear bags with their SIBO system, the Epic Tankbag and their headlight protector, all from Hepco&Becker. And the next thing to do is go outside and make some pretty shots for you, so you can see the results outside of my living room. See you outside. Out here in the cold, 6 degrees, it's quite cold, but I need to bring this beast outside. First time with the Hepco&Becker Xtravel bags on the back and the Epic Tankbag at the front. Very nice looking if you ask me. I will show you some awesome shots. The Xtravel bags, so easy to get it on and off. And this is a very slim looking design. Looks very nice. You can leave this on the bike for the rest of the year. And in the back, these are sort of clips. Very solid. You can tighten these. It's unnecessary now because they are empty. And waterproof. You have a bag which you can roll like this. They are quite big. Let me see if my helmet will fit in this. I know a helmet is maybe too big, but I can confirm a helmet does not fit. It's too big. My camera bag, I brought it inside one of these bags. This one is quite big. Hand for scale. This one fits quite easily. Like so. And then we have the tank bag at the front. In the Epic Tankbag, 3 liters. I have a couple of things. Some stickers. Sunscreen in the middle of the winter. My personal belongings. I can put my phone in here. It's not much, but it's very good for personal stuff. It's off. Click and done. This bike is just so amazing. And how does it look like with someone on the bike? I have plenty of space at the back when sitting, even when I am sitting a little bit to the back. And if I go all the way to the front, there is plenty of space. This one is not in the way. I can steer very easily. So, I hope you have a better understanding why I chose this amazing Hepco&Becker Xtravel bag, the Epic Tankbag. This one will stay on all the time. This one will probably only be mounted when doing holidays. You've seen it, it's quite a work. If you have any further questions about this setup, just leave a comment and I will try to answer them. They are available at Hepco&Becker website. There is a link in the description as well. I'm going home, it's cold, it's starting to rain, and see you guys in the next video.